X minus 23 equals 10. X equals? Answer is 33. A coin is tossed once. What is the probability of heads? Answer is 1/2. Find the mode. 17, 10, 8, 3, 3. Answer is 3. 9x plus 24 equals 123. X equals? Answer is 11. A die is rolled once. What is the probability of rolling 3? Answer is 1/6. 8x plus 10 equals 50. X equals? Answer is 5. X plus 3 equals 20. X equals? Answer is 17. X plus 17 equals 58. X equals? Answer is 41. X minus 25 equals 41. X equals? Answer is 66. X minus 12 equals 61. X equals? Answer is 73. X minus 5 equals 23. X equals? Answer is 28. Find the median. 27, 45, 26, 49, 15. Answer is 27. X divided by 6 equals 4. X equals? Answer is 24. X divided by 8 equals 1. X equals? Answer is 8. Find the range. 19, 42, 35, 31, 64. Answer is 45.